MJ, and this will be my second video for this week. I wasn't really expecting to do 2 videos this week, but my Disney Treasures box showed up yesterday for you guys, and I really wanted to open it, and I wanted to open it on camera like I do every other month because this is one of my favorite videos, or these videos, like this series of unboxings, is probably my favorite series that I have on my channel, even if it's not all that popular. I have been looking forward to getting the Ever After Castle box for a couple of months now. It's actually sitting right behind me. So I am going to dig into it, and I'm going to tell you guys what's in it. If you subscribe to Disney Treasures, and I think I've said this before, I said it on my Marvel Collector Core, but if you subscribe to Disney Treasures and you don't want to know what's in the box until you get your box, don't watch the video. Spoiler alert, because you know what? I have my box. I know a couple of Instagram accounts who probably already have theirs too, and I think the official Funko YouTube channel has already done their unboxing, but I really like to be able to react to what I'm getting on camera. It's pretty fun. So without further ado, I'm going to open the box. Nope, that's my phone. Scissors. Again, I always love how they do these boxes. If my camera would focus, that would be beautiful. But they have a different sticker for every one, and all of the past boxes are in the same kind of brown that the box is in. So each time a different stamp is added, and this was for this year. This is actually, I think, the last box for the first year of Disney Treasures. So I'm really excited to kind of see how Disney rounds out their, or not Disney, how Funko rounds out their first year of this subscription box, because I have all of them. I love them. My first subscription box, I had my Smee Funko Pop figure stolen, so I have to replace that, but I'm really, really excited to open up this one, and this is like the last one of the year, and I'm really excited. And that means that the ring gets to be finished in this one, which I'm really, really excited about. At least I hope it is. I don't know. I haven't seen any spoilers. I don't let myself be spoiled when I'm doing these because I don't want to know what's in them until I physically get to open them. I'm going to try not to, like, put my address on camera. I feel like that would be a bad plan. Even though it won't be my address in, like, a week and a half. Alright. Oh. Okay. So, the pin, I'm pulling out the patch first. I'm saying the pin, and I'm pulling the patch out of the box. The pin is Donald and Daisy, which I know you guys are not going to be able to see. I don't know why I try to do that, because my camera will not focus to save its life. Like, I'm always shocked when I'm in focus, and I actually am for once today, which is actually shocking to my camera. Like, it's, there's going to be a new camera in the future, but not quite yet. And I feel like I'm just wasting time as I'm sitting here and doing this. But I love the pins. I love Marvel Collector Course pins. I love the Disney Treasures pins. I have one Star Wars one, which I really liked, because I don't subscribe to it. I think I could, but I feel like my wheelhouse is more of the Disney and Marvel, but this one's really cute. It just has Donald and Daisy on it, and then a little heart between them, which is really fitting because Valentine's Day is in a few days. But moving on. So the patch is Lumiere from Beauty and the Beast, and like these little box, like containers, just like this rip all the time. But it's really cute, and you can kind of see him. I actually had the Lumiere pop figure, which I love. I have Lumiere and Cogsworth, so I love adding to my set. But again, I'm working with this lighting, and on my monitor it's super light, and on my camera it's not as bad. So I'm really hoping that it doesn't turn out like I'm completely washed out, like I felt like I was going to be last week. But it doesn't seem too bad this week, so I'm really excited about that. And I feel like that's not opening the box. Like, I'm sitting here with the box kind of open, and I'm not looking inside. I'm just going to reach in like I usually do. What is this? Oh, that's so cute. It's Little Lady and the Tramp keychains. That's so cute. So, like, you could give it to, like, your significant other or somebody you really care about. I'm just going to keep them both and put them on different keys. And then they can, or maybe they'll just sit together on my desk. I haven't quite decided yet. But I have so many of the pop keychains. Like, I have a baby Groot, a dancing baby Groot on my keychain now, and his eyes are, like, wearing away. I've had Iron Man. I have a Harley Quinn one. And I have a few others, but these ones are so cute. They're just little keychains with little pops on the bottom that are Lady and the Tramp. And I love that movie. It's such a cute movie. And I'm really excited for this. Like, I love it. It's just a little 2-pack keychain set. It's so cute. And I'm putting it back in the box because it's just literally going to get packed again. That is the problem with moving and getting subscription boxes, is you sit there like, oh, I can get all this stuff out, and then you have to put it right back because you have to pack it. Or you have to put it somewhere in a box, and then you're like, oh, I really wanted to have it out, and you can't. I mean, it's the price you pay when you move. It really is. Ooh. Okay. I love these. You get them every time, and it's just a little box. It's a tin box. And it has Mickey and Minnie on the top. And this is Minnie's house from either Disney World or Disneyland, and this is Mickey's house. I've seen the ones at Disney World when I was a kid. So I'm betting that this is either going to be Mickey or Minnie, but I could be wrong. But I'm going to guess that it is Mickey or Minnie. But again, these are like a blind bag. That was really anticlimactic as I throw it on the floor. I mean, I'm feeling mouse ears, and I don't know if I'm feeling like a hat. I keep dropping this. I don't know why. I'm sorry, I've seen the pop figure, and I'm really excited. Oh, man, the one thing about these is they smell. Like, the vinyl, after they're in these bags, smells so bad. It's Minnie. I actually got, because the Disney Store just came out with that Minnie Mouse spots, or spots and dots, or whatever. And I bought the Minnie Mouse ears, which I really should have worn for this video. Maybe I should just start wearing my mouse ears for these videos. I think that'd be so much fun for Disney. Maybe I'll do that. No, but I really like this little figurine. It's super cute. These that come in these tin containers, I'm such a big fan of. I feel like I haven't gotten one that I dislike. Though I feel like going in the Disney Treasures boxes and the Marvel boxes, I don't think I've ever had anything that I really like dislike or want to be like, oh, I don't want it. But I feel like a lot of other subscription boxes that I've had in the past, I feel like I do that with a lot of the items where it's like, okay, I like about 2 of the items in here, but the other 3 or 4 I have to either give away or get rid of because I'm never going to use them. They're not something that I enjoy. So I feel like these collector boxes like Disney and Marvel and Star Wars and DC, which Funko does, is very much more tailored to those specific fandoms, and I really wish there were other boxes that were tailored to those specific fandoms. I know that, is it Loot Crate, has a couple that are like Doctor Who themed or Harry Potter themed, stuff like that, and I'd love to see more of that throughout subscription boxes, because like I know that there are a lot of beauty subscription boxes and I want to subscribe to a few of them, but you know, you're sitting here with like, oh, I really love the 4 items in here in these like fandom subscription boxes, but there's some that I can't use or I have to give away or I have to find a place for because they don't fit with my collection or it's not something I enjoy. So I've already seen the pop figures that are here and I'm really excited. But first I'm going to get out the sticker, which just says Ever After Castle, and then February 2018, which is of course the month. And there's a little heart in here. I had to like look over my glasses to see what the heart said. It's a little like E and A for Ever After. I thought that was really cute. I again collect the stickers. I'm very happy about them. I'm not quite sure if there's another one that's going to be in the center, which they said in the April box, but or the April box from last year, but I haven't opened everything in the box yet, so I guess we'll find out, and I'm hoping I'm not putting like the cart before the horse, but knowing my luck and knowing me as a person, I probably am. So, up next, the pop figures in this box. I'm so excited. This is Wedding Day Eric and Ariel from The Little Mermaid, and I love The Little Mermaid. Oh, actually, that's a good place to have them right here. I love The Little Mermaid. It's such a good film. I'm floored by what Pop comes out, or with what Funko comes out with for their pop figures every single time. Like December's Marvel one was the Hulk and Banner transformation, and I was like, that's amazing. And like now you're getting the wedding 2-pack between Ariel and Eric, and it's so, I love their figurines so much. I feel like the detail on them and the quality of them has gotten so much better since I started collecting any of my pop figures. And then you just see these, which are, you know, and of course a Disney Treasures exclusive, like most of the items are. But you see the quality and the craftsmanship and the artistry that goes into creating these, and I'm amazed. I'm always amazed with what Funko comes out with. I think her veil is transparent. I actually might take this out just so I can show you the veil, because I am such a fan of their products. I, again, have like 100 or 150. I definitely had more early last year before everything got stolen, but I probably have a good 100, 150 pop figures, and I love every single one of them. But I really like this little 2-pack that has Ariel and Eric in it. And yes, her veil is transparent. It's transparent. It's so cool. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see her hair through the veil. And I absolutely love this. And the veil is as tall as she is. The craftsmanship on these is always so amazing. And whoever comes up with all these designs is absolutely phenomenal. Any of the people who work there have to be so creative on a daily basis, and I envy their creativity. Kudos to you guys. Good job. But I'm going to put this away now. And I think that is it for the box, but we're going to check. Oh, hey, my picture on the inside is upside down. Like, can you guys see this? Hold on, let me switch it. Look, the castle is upside down on the inside. I don't know if it was supposed to be like that or if this one was just specifically, like, flipped over, but I'm going to flip it back over. Like, I think that's kind of funny. It's like being in the upside down. As someone who has not watched Stranger Things yet, is planning on it, but has not watched Stranger Things yet, I probably shouldn't be referencing the upside down. And this is what always takes me, like, forever, because I sit here and do this, and I'm, like, running out of battery life on my camera. Battery, you're like 7 years old, almost 8. Just calm down. Let's see. Yeah, and that is it for this box. I feel like every time I get my Disney Treasures box, I feel like I expect it to be a lot more like the Marvel Collector Core boxes than they are, which I need to stop doing, because I feel like I sit there and I'm setting myself up for failure when it comes to being like, oh, I expect there to be a wearable and this thing and this thing and this thing and this thing, and there's not. And I feel like I shouldn't be the one sitting there going, oh, well, it's not the same. Well, no, it's not. It's a different subscription. It has a different audience. But every time I open up one of these boxes, I'm always pleasantly surprised to find the craftsmanship and the artistry and the amazing little products that they find and they put in, and they give the collectors every other month. So, as always, I am very excited with my box. Very excited. But that is it for me this week. I will see you guys next week. I hope there's not another video this week. I have to film like 3 videos because I'm moving in like a week and a half, so I'm not going to really have time to film. So I will see you guys next week. I hope you have a great week. You can follow me on social media. You can like this video. You can comment. You can subscribe to see what else I get up to. But other than that, bye!